The 8th grade went to Michigan State University, and the university gave a presentation about what Michigan State offers, how much college costs, what majors you want to do.
We learned a little bit about the tuition and like all the majors they have and just about the school. And we had a tour guide take us around through the library to the football stadium and just around the campus.
Today I learned from my tour guides about Michigan State and how open and expanded they are, how they have like a lot of career opportunities.
Today I learned that it's really important to plan ahead for college and to try hard in school, and like even if it's the end of the year, to keep on trying, or else like your grades might go down, and to really try and get into a college that you want to go to, not just for like the academics, but also like the scene that you want to like be in.
It's nice so you can plan and see what's at college and everything, because you don't want to get too far in high school and then not know.
We learned that we have to plan a lot ahead and make sure that we like are prepared for college and that we know what's going to be ahead of us, and that there are like options for everyone at college, and like there's so many different majors that like anyone can go
to plan ahead, to plan early. Like in 10th grade, you have to look and research all the colleges you want to go to.
I like how when I went there, it felt like really friendly and everything. I felt like it's nice and, you know, safe.
Thank you, Berkley Education Foundation.